Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to network on LinkedIn to get a job. Go to your browser and open the LinkedIn website. Make sure to log into your account. Click on Start a Post and type some words to describe what you want to talk about. You have to add the post to your LinkedIn account to connect with others. Go to the My Networks tab at the top of the website. You will find different accounts and organizations for connection. You can follow and connect with them. Go to your Home tab and search for any job in the search bar. For demonstration, I search Fashion Designer. It will provide you with different accounts. Click on the Companies option at the top of the website. You will find companies according to your search. You can follow the accounts or click to open the account to view details. Go to your Home tab and make a post for the connection with the society. Click to open any account details. Scroll down and view all the details about the account like services, about, and more. Click on the post to review the post about the job. Scroll down and you can add any comment to the post. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.